Hello. I am literally so exhausted for what feels like no reason. But I wanted to do a midday trade check-in because I've been doing that for the last few days. And yeah, I was just like, let me just continue this because I don't know, it's just kind of become a habit now to just record myself analyzing the trade. It's my work from home day today, but it's like 3:49, meaning that usually I do these type of videos like in half an hour's time, but I thought I'm just gonna do it now. But we can see that price is pushing all-time highs. Actually, let me talk about this because I've never experienced this before, but obviously gold has been pushing all-time highs, but there's so many people now online that are like, just buy gold and hold it till like the end of time. And to me, it's like I totally get it if you're a tried and true investor and trader, but I'm a beginner trader, so I need to just follow my rules. But my God, I was so tempted as soon as I saw that video, which is when price was probably like up here. I was like, let me just buy gold and just like hold it forever, and I'll make all this money. But like in reality, it's like no, I'm just gonna form bad habits and forget about what I'm trading and like my strategy. Anyway, looking at the price on the 1 hour, we can see that prices obviously started to make a pretty good correction. I did get a little bit of news come up on my phone or on my computer or something, and it was basically saying that because obviously we have Powell speaking tonight, I'm pretty sure it's the Fed, yeah, Fed chair. So I think he's going to be announcing whether or not rates will be cut tonight. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to have to listen to a few different finance podcasts to try and figure out what is going on. I could probably just Google it, but I don't know. I feel like getting the explanation is a lot easier. Not really. But yeah, so I think he's cutting rates tonight, or there's something like that happening. So I think the news when it came up, it was like, oh, gold could have a really big drop if the feds don't cut the rates, or like if there's uncertainty around the rates, that gold could end up dropping. So that's something that I'm going to be looking out for. As we can see, look at this massive seller volume, and we haven't experienced a massive seller volume like this in a long time. Like, look, it's all been bullish, like pretty much, except from there's little bits here actually. But within the last few days, it's been these massive spikes of buyers. But we've got two massive spikes of sellers, and look at the buyers. So only time will tell. When it comes to this correction, we can see on the lower time frame, prices starting. It's opened up on London. London's going bullish. Okay. Yeah, there's not really any information. I guess if we look here, we've got a low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high somewhere. Hold on. We've got a low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got lower low, only just basically equal low. And we've got a lower high, then we've got a higher low, and then we've got a higher high. So we could be experiencing some type of correction right now. In my rule book, I have that I don't trade the first hour of London session. I learned through back testing that it just doesn't work the best for me. So I don't know, when is it? I think I opened at 3, so it's pretty much almost been the first hour, but I don't know. But yeah, I guess if we were to base a trade off of this, we'd be basing it solely off of market structure. So we can see that, oh, wrong thing. Prices made this high, higher low, higher high. We could wait for a retracement to get this move. But I don't know, because of the seller volume that's come in, I'm a little bit unsure about what to do in this scenario. Let's just ask ChatGPT. I tried to do some Googling, and I don't know if I'm reading the right things. Google is just not good. Google is just not good for the news, because that's all 4 weeks ago. I want to know right this minute. Let's have a look. Oh my God. Am I even able to read? Okay. Sorry, I'm really tired. I'm just not in the mood right now. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, where's the information that I asked for? Oh my god. My friend is calling me. Hold on. I say it like I'm on the phone to you guys, but yeah, I had my friend call me and I had to pause my thing. But let's ask ChatGPT because these articles have me confused. Hello, where did my face go? Okay. Hello. Okay, thank you. Is the feds no? That's right. Are the feds cutting rates tonight? And will we find out during Powell's speech? I should really know these things. I'm a beginner, so I don't. Like, I don't know yet. I'm not like super in tune with what happens during Powell's speeches. All I know is that he speaks and the market does crazy things. Also, it's not the next FOM. It's highly unlikely the Feds will cut rates tonight. We won't find out. Decision from just Powell's speech. What they're thinking. Okay, so we're not going to be cutting rates tonight, but we'll get some type of indication, which means that there's uncertainty. So I'm assuming that's why everyone's selling off their gold, but I don't know. I don't know why there was that massive move. Let's have a look at my weekly. Okay, so we've hit that dynamic resistance level, so we can expect price to sell off a little bit. It could continue to sell off back towards this level, which is totally fine because that is still our dynamic support level. So we can just let gold do its thing, really. But yeah, what I'd want to see during this London session that's literally just opened. So I want to see price go down to here and then form bullish momentum and then ride the wave up. That's what I ideally want to see. I'm not going to enter early just because prices, has had this big drop and there's like tiny little bits of bullish structure. I'm not going to take an entry off of that because it's just not my strategy and it doesn't make sense. Even though I could because there's market structure in there, but it's just not my strategy. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm so tired right now, honestly. So tired. I'm going to probably have a coffee or a matcha or something to bring my energy up. I have to go to the gym soon, so wish me luck there. Hopefully I don't die because I'm so tired. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to stop complaining, but that is my midday check-in for my trade. It's a very, very simple setup this morning. If you missed the morning analysis, I can literally tell you in like a minute. We've got these highs here, basically equal highs. Price pushed above here. There was weird movement here, so this is a no trade zone. This is where price went back down and it hit my dynamic support level. I didn't take a trade here. I haven't taken a trade all week. That might be a lie. I took one trade this month. But we saw price push above here. We said price is bearish below here because we saw the momentum kick in, the seller momentum kick in as soon as price hit this level. And now price has shot up. It's made an indication. We're waiting for the correction, which price looks like it started. And we want it to correct all the way down here, wait for bullish momentum, and then get that indication going up. That's what I'm looking for today. So yeah, that's literally it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little midday check-in. Hopefully it gave you guys some type of value. Let me know what you guys are thinking today, whether or not you're going to trade. Guess Powell's speaking tonight. But yeah, I'll tell you guys how this step goes later today and if I end up taking an entry. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great trading day and I'll see you guys later.